Hi guys, channel. This is my room. This is the baby. This is a baby toy. I am princess. This is a bear. This is a hand up there.
Okay, Noor, can you take a tour of your room, please?
Huh?
Can we take a tour of your room?
Yeah.
Can you show us your books?
Yep.
And your reading nook?
Oh, this is body book.
A what?
Body book.
A body book?
Yeah.
For potty?
Yeah.
It's to teach you how to do potty?
Yeah. I have to teach the poo mama.
Oh, is that how you learned?
Yeah, I have to learn this. Why you get him?
That's so silly.
This is so silly. This is so silly.
Okay, can you show us your princess dresses?
Huh?
Your princess dresses?
This?
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you.
No, the ones that are right here.
Huh? This?
Yeah, is that your princess dress?
Yeah, this is.
Wow, is that your purse?
Yeah.
Oh, bless you. Can you show us other stuff in your room?
Look, I have all my toys.
Okay, can you show us your bed and your toys? So what is this? Is that your bed?
No, this is the baby bed.
That's the baby's bed?
Yeah.
Is that when you were in a baby?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the camel.
Oh, is that a camel?
Yeah.
Nice. Where did you get it from?
I'm riding Toy Story.
Yeah, I think you got that from Dubai.
Right? Oh, yeah. Got this. I did this. I did this.
What is that?
This is a baby.
It's a baby what?
This is Maya. And a bed. On the carrot now.
Okay, show me else your room, Noor.
Have her bed.
Wow, that's so nice. Is that a pillow?
Yes, no, go to bed. Okay, you get the bed, okay? You go to bed, okay? Dad,
What else, Noor?
there's books up there. I'm going to go to nap.
Okay, can we see what else you have?
I have all my toys.
Mm-hmm.
I'll look up there.
What's that? Is that a flower?
Yeah, mine.
That's so nice.
I did it.
You did it? Oh, are you okay?
I did it myself. Mom, what's your bring this there? Mom, taking naps. Okay, and okay, taking nap. Taking nap. This is taking nap. This is nap. Where we take a nap.
Noor, should we show your books when you were a baby?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are all Noor's books for every month.
Yeah. I'll take this.
My favorite is when she was 6 months. And obviously the rest. Noor, which one's your favorite?
This one. I don't know.
Which one's your favorite?
This one. Yeah. Look at you.
Yeah.
I'm doing. You're so funny. You're so funny. Funny girl. Funny girl. Funny girl. Funny girl. Funny girl. Funny girl. Funny. I am cute. I don't think my book. How did you put it back here? Happy. This one. This. I'm making this one. My favorite color.